Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a table in Google Docs file. First open your browser and go docs.google.com and sign in your Gmail account and upload your docs file or open new docs file. I have already opened my docs file. Here you will find this insert option, select and select your table. Now select your column and row table. I'll choose 4 row and 4 column. This table already inserted. Now see this plus icon. Now you can add row. Also you can add column and select this plus icon. This column already added. Also you can delete a column as you like and select delete column. Also you can delete this row. Delete row. Now select this three dot option. Here you can change border white, border color and select all border. And border color. Also you can choose here background color. Yeah. Now you can increase decrease your table. Simply drag this. Now type your text as you like. Here. Yeah. This is. You can delete a specific cell. I'll delete this cell. Now click right button and delete this row and cell border. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.